Hello and Namaskaram. Welcome to all the beautiful and gorgeous ladies to today's live session of Varamahalakshmi Silks. Hi ladies, I'm back again. I hope you all missed me because I missed you with all my heart, and today I'm back again with another exciting episode brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Today's episode is going to be about beautiful Kanchipattu sarees, authentic pride of South India, and I know you all love Kanchipattu sarees because I love showing them to you myself, and it's going to be different colors, different patterns, different designs. And let's start with the saree I'm wearing. It's a beautiful green color, as you can see, a nice light green color. We have floral jal all over the body, all in golden zari work, ladies, and a beautiful zigzag lines border which also has golden zari work along with floral jal. Let me now show you all the pallu of this beautiful saree, which is extremely beautiful and gorgeous. It has a nice diamond brocade design all over in golden zari. And this beautiful saree has a nice contrasting blouse which you can design however you want. If you like this saree and wish to purchase it, please do take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. We are waiting for your screenshots on our WhatsApp number, ladies. Let's see our next saree. Also, if you have any queries regarding any sarees, any particular color, or any saree you're looking for any occasion, please drop it in the comment section below, ladies, so I can show you all your prioritized saree colors first, and we can do lots and lots of shopping from today's episode. Let's see this beautiful saree. It's a beautiful yellow and red color. On the body, as you can see, we have florals and leaves in zari work with a beautiful red color border which has peacocks with cross lines, and we have also here floral design, very nice. We also have peacocks, as you can see. This beautiful saree has a lovely floral brocade pallu, ladies. Look at this gorgeous floral brocade pallu, extremely gorgeous and nice. It's red in color, and this beautiful saree also has a lovely looking red color contrasting blouse. Very nice and beautiful. To purchase this saree, all you have to do, ladies, is quickly take a screenshot along with the item code details. And the item code for this saree is BZ515. Offer price running is 15,999 only. Valid for 24 hours, so make sure you avail these beautiful offers before they expire and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Let's see our next beautiful saree which is coming up. It's a really nice and beautiful blue color for you. Hope you ladies are enjoying, and just a comment away, ladies, any particular saree you're looking for, please drop it in the comment section below, and hope you all are doing well. Let's see this beautiful blue color. Meanwhile, it's a lovely light blue, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in zari. Beautiful border at the same time, which has cross lines right here along with peacocks and florals. And a beautiful pallu which has cross lines all in golden zari. Now, since it's a beautiful light blue color, we have a nice contrasting blouse which is also in the same shade. So it's complementing the saree really well. As you can see, a lovely blue color. Two shades of blue, very beautiful and elegant. It's a nice, lightweight, easy breezy saree, ladies. You can wear this for a day function. And talking about the quality, it's pure Kanchipattu, so you don't have to worry. And Varamahalakshmi Silks brings you the best quality, so you don't have to worry about that as well. Let's see the pricing details of this saree. The item code is BZ509. Offer price is 19,499, which is only valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail this offer before it expires and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Hope you beautiful ladies are enjoying today's episode. Let's see a lovely color coming up. It's again on the lighter shade. It's a peach color. Let me show you the body first. It's a peach and grey color Kanchipattu saree which has floral buttis and curvy checks on the body. Very beautiful floral buttis here, as you can see. The border is very nice and elegant. It's very lovely. We have diamonds here, we have florals, we have peacocks, all in leaf buttis. This sort of border is very elegant and gives you a very royal and rich look, ladies. Very nice grey color giving a hint of peach, and beautiful floral brocaded work on the pallu I have for you right here. Let me also show you all the blouse, which is a lovely looking contrasting blouse. The beautiful, beautiful color combination of peach and grey. Let me show you all the pricing details. To quickly purchase this gorgeous sari, item code BZ490. Offer price is 15,199. Amazing offers running for you ladies, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Quickly take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. We are waiting for you on our WhatsApp number. Let's see our next color. A very unique and different color for you here. Ladies, please don't forget to drop your comments and queries down in the comment section so we can have a nice chat. Let me show you all this unique color meanwhile. A lovely, lovely sea green color. On the body we have cross lines in zari and a beautiful border which has florals and yalis. Pallu has cross lines along with florals, and this beautiful sea green sari has a self blouse ladies. Very, very elegant and beautiful. Pricing details of this beautiful sari are as follows. Item code BY744, offer price is 7,759. Meena ma'am will surely show you a wine and onion pink color for you. Don't worry, we have lots of colors in today's episode. Just stay tuned, and I'm so glad that Abhilasha ma'am missed me because I missed you too, ma'am. I'm so glad, and I'm back now to show you all beautiful, beautiful saris. So I hope you missed me. Stay tuned for the entire episode. Thank you. Let's see our next color. More on the darker palettes for you ladies, people and ladies who prefer darker shades. It's a nice, nice navy blue for you here. Blue and royal blue color, we have florals and leaves, jal and zari on the body with beautiful peacocks here along with floral jal on the border. Pallu of this sari has a lovely floral brocade work, and this beautiful blue color sari has a contrasting blouse. Let me now show you the details to purchase this gorgeous blue color along with royal blue hint sari. Item code is BM478. Offer price is 8,399. So glad Sumana ma'am is right here. I'm so glad you're here, ma'am. I'm here to assist you with all your colors, so don't have to worry, and drop your comments here. Let's see our next beautiful sari ladies. Sending all these screenshots quickly onto our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's see this beautiful green color. Meanwhile, wow, very nice and elegant. It's more of a light color. Beautiful sea green. Once again we have florals and leaves jal. Borders have cross lines with peacocks and florals. And a lovely looking pallu also, which has beautiful florals and cross checks. Now this beautiful sari has a lovely, lovely contrasting blouse. It's more of a wine color, purple color. Very nice, elegant and beautiful. And I'll show you all the pricing details so you can purchase this beautiful sari. Take a screenshot along with the item code, which is BX339, and the offer price is 15,999 only. Beautiful sari, beautiful colors, beautiful patterns, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Ladies, we have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So please make sure you drop by your nearest VML store to experience a very wide variety of saris. And we also have a lovely, lovely convenient video call service for you on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Coming up, a beautiful, beautiful earthy color, which is brown. Maroon, purple, brown mix here, which is very, very elegant on the body. I have floral buttis and zari. All pure Kanchipattu saris, ladies. Authentic Kanchipattu saris. Pride of South India. Moving on to the border, we have peacocks here with cross lines. All of this is in a lovely golden zari work, ladies. Now very intricate and beautiful, as you can see. And we have a pallu which has zigzag lines. We have florals jal, all in golden zari. This beautiful sari has a lovely looking self blouse as well, which is also in the same color. So it's a maroon and purple mixed shade. Now this is a unique shade, ladies. Usually you have two independent colors of maroon and purple, but this is a mixture, a unique shade, and very, very nice contacted to the vision. And you will get a lot of compliments if you purchase this sari because it's a very unique color. To purchase it, all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot. BZ488 is the item code and the offer price is 21,450. Thank you so much, Sumana ma'am, for the compliment. I'm so glad you're enjoying today's episode. Now ladies, it's very important that all you beautiful gorgeous beings follow us on our digital platforms to stay updated and to watch our videos regularly. And if you don't know how to do that, I'll quickly show you how.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, optional for videos and live videos.
I hope that was very quick and easy for you ladies to follow. I'll be showing you all a next wonderful color coming up, which is a beautiful beige color along with pink. Now all you ladies who are fond of light colors, light on the palette, this is a beautiful light color for you. It's beige, it's nude. Let's see the body first. We have a floral booties in zari and a lovely floral cross-line design, which is pink in color on the border. Now this is more of an onion pink color. One of your beautiful customers wanted an onion pink color in the sari. This is one such color. On the borders, very beautiful. We have cross lines on the pallu, even pallu is on the same shade. And we have a lovely contrasting blouse to this sari. More of a lighter pink, baby pink I would say, very elegant and beautiful. The border is nice and heavy, all in golden zari, beautiful sari. Quickly taking a screenshot, two beautiful light shades for you. Item code is BZ496 and the offer price is 13,199. Very reasonable ladies, pure authentic Kanchipattu sarees only at 13,000 is very reasonable, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please make sure you follow us and watch our live videos because they're all saved there on our digital platforms in case you miss our live sessions. Let's see our next color, more of a darker shade for you. Ladies who prefer bold colors. Onto the body first. We have brown and sea green. Very nice paisley booties, unique paisley booties in zari work. And a very nice and elegant border which has peacocks and florals. This is a nice sea green unique color ladies. Pallu has paisley booties. And the blouse is a contrasting blouse, sea green color. Very beautiful and elegant. Let's see the details to purchase this beautiful sari. Item code is BV456 and the offer price is 8,159. Thank you so much for the compliment, Umakanta. And it's really nice that you liked today's episode. If you beautiful ladies have any queries regarding any sarees, particular color you're looking for, or any favorite saree for any favorite occasion, I'm right here. Drop it in the comment section below ladies so I know which color you like. Let's see our next one. Wow, another gorgeous saree. Already caught my attention. Let me show you closely on the body. We have a nice grey and maroon floral sun leaves jal. As you can see, we have birds here. Cute looking birds in zari work. And we have cross lines with florals and paisleys. A lovely maroon color border. I'll also show you the pallu, which is a brocade worked pallu. And a lovely looking contrasting blouse, which is more on the maroon side. So elegant and beautiful ladies. Let's see the item code details for this beautiful sari, which is BZ500. Offer price is 18,749. Soma ma'am is looking for a lilac color. I'll surely show you a lilac color, ma'am. Please make sure you make it till the end. We have all colors and patterns available. Let's see our next beautiful green color coming up for now. This is a very beautiful Kanchipattu sari. It's green and blue in color. On the body we have floral booties in zari. And cross lines here. As you can see, we have floral jal here. It's all in a nice sky blue color. Very nice and elegant. Let me now show you the border, which has beautiful cross lines, and pallu, which has again floral buttis here. We have a contrasting blouse right here. Very nice and elegant. Let me also show you the pricing details. Item code is BZ505. Offer price is only 6,239. Valid for 24 hours. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous combination. Very, very beautiful. Only at 6,000, ladies. Such a reasonable price. Brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Make sure you avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. We are waiting for your screenshots on our WhatsApp number. Let's see this beautiful color coming up. Wow, very nice and elegant. Let me show you the body first. It's a lovely navy blue with magenta. We have floral buttis here, as you can see, in zari work. And a beautiful border which has florals, leaves, jewels and peacocks. Very nice peacocks right here. The pallu has a brocade design, golden zari brocade. And we have a contrasting blouse. Very nice, elegant and beautiful. Classic wine color along with purple. Let's see the pricing details. Item code is BZ483. Offer price is 14,399. Ladies, if you mention any particular color that you're looking for, I'd love to show that to you. And I don't see many of you asking me such questions. I'm back after a very long time and I hope to show you all more beautiful saris. So please drop your comments in the comment section below and we can have a nice chat because I missed you all, ladies. Let's see our next color. Let's see the body first. It's a beautiful pink color. On the body we have floral buttis in zari checks and borders which have diamonds and floral jar. A beautiful pallu as well, which is a nice floral brocade pallu, all in golden zari. Very nice, elegant and beautiful. And this beautiful pink color sari, ladies, it has a very nice intricate self blouse which is also pink in color. Let me show you all the blouse. It's all in the same shade. It's a nice bright pink color. Very nice, perfect for day functions. I would say you can wear this for a wedding or you can gift it to a friend as well. All this is pure Kanchipattu sarees. Let's see the details. Item code BZ498. Offer price 20,249. It's only valid for 24 hours, so please make sure you avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Let's see our next beautiful color coming up. Hope you are enjoying today's episode, ladies. We have beautiful sarees with lovely collections, different patterns and colors for you, along with another beautiful shade of palette. Let's see the body. It's a nice royal blue. We have a hint of pink here. I think pink and blue is a very classic combination. I'll show you the body first. As you can see, we have cute looking floral booties here with self checks. And on the border, we have here peacocks. We have floral jal, beautiful looking peacocks. Let me also show you the beautiful brocade worked pallu. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous, ladies. And I have a lovely contrasting pink color blouse for you. Very nice, elegant and beautiful. It's a classic combination of blue and pink, ladies. You can wear this anywhere. You can also gift it to someone. These are all pure Kanchipattu sarees, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Let me show you all the details. To purchase it, all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot. Item code is BZ508. Offer price is 8,159. Beautiful saree with such a reasonable offer. Brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Quickly sending a screenshot. You know the WhatsApp number, ladies. It's 8900010002. Our next color is also very nice and unique for ladies who prefer unique colors which are very eye-catchy. This is one such color, I would say. Very nice. As you can see, a unique color for you. It's a mixture of green and blue. It's a sea green and navy blue sari. We have a floral buttis on the body. This is all in golden zari, ladies, as you can see. And the border has cross lines, which also has floral jal along with it. Pallu has a brocade work. Now this is very, very unique, ladies. It's all in copper zari. And this beautiful sari has a contrasting blouse, which is navy blue in color, and all with copper zari once again. We have so much variety in this sari. We have golden zari on the body, we have sea green, we have navy blue with copper zari. So much variety and so much work. Let's see the details to purchase this sari. Quickly taking a screenshot. You just have to take the item code screenshot, which is BZ513, and the offer price running is only 13,999. We have all these beautiful saris brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. They're all pure, authentic Kanchipattu saris, ladies. The thing about these saris is they remind you about your Indian culture and heritage, and especially the people of South India would totally relate to me. And I know you ladies are really loving today's episode along with Kanchipattu saris. And we have different colors, different patterns for you. So if you have any queries, any such particular color you're looking for, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll show you all your favorite saris so you can do lots and lots of shopping from today's episode. Also make sure you visit your nearest VML store, ladies. We have amazing offers running along with different collections and designs. Our next color is very, very nice and beautiful. I love this color. Let me show you. What a beautiful, beautiful bridal color this is. So nice. I really like this color. It's very bright, elegant, bright red. On the body we have floral buttis here. As you can see, beautiful looking floral buttis all in golden zari. And a lovely, lovely border which has peacocks with boxes. Also in golden zari. This beautiful red color has a pallu which has cross lines. And this red color sari has a very, very nice looking lovely self blouse. I love this color, ladies. It's a very bridal color. It looks very rich and elegant when you wear it. You can design this however you want. You can wear nice temple jewelry on this. It will totally add to your look if you wear this anywhere, and people will totally turn their heads and look at this sari. Let's see the details. To purchase this beautiful sari, all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot. Item code is BZ486. Offer price is 13,200 only. Beautiful red color only at 13,200. Sending a screenshot very quickly onto our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Beautiful color coming up. Hope you're enjoying today's episode, ladies. Any queries regarding any saris, if you have any doubts, please drop it in the comment section below. I'd love to have a nice chat with you. Let's see this one. It's a nice green color along with sea green. On the body, I have a beautiful, beautiful floral design with peacocks. It's all in heavy floral jal work along with zari. And the border, as you can see, has peacocks, floral jal and cross lines. Let me also show you the pallu of this sari, ladies, which has a nice floral brocade work. This is a very shaded sari. It has so many colors, and we have a contrasting blouse as well. We have blue, we have green, more of a peacock navy bluish color, very nice and elegant. It has all the shades of green and blue. Very versatile, but in one sari. Let's see the details. Item code of this sari is BU380. Offer price is 13,200 only. Ladies, please make sure you follow us everywhere on our Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And on YouTube, please make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel and follow us for our daily updates and daily live sessions. Let's see the next color. Beautiful colors for you, ladies. Any particular color you're looking for, I'm right here. Drop it in the comment section below. Any design, any pattern, we're all here. Let's see this one. It's a beautiful pink and purple color sari. On the body, we have a floral sun peacock buttis in zari. Very nice looking peacock butties. On the border we have again paisleys here in lines with again peacocks, and we also have circular butties all in a lovely purple color. I will also show you all the pallu, which has beautiful florals. We have cross lines, we have leaves, we have brocade work, very versatile pallu. And also a contrasting blouse for you, very elegant and beautiful. A nice dark shade, very nice to complement with the jewelry. Beautiful combination of pink and purple. Let me show you all the details of this saree. Item code BZ484, offer price is 15,749. Surely Anamika ma'am, all our live sessions are going to be very unique and versatile. We also have another live session planned for that, so stay tuned for the updates. Let's see our next color. On the body first, we have a beautiful light beige kanchi pattu saree right here, along with a beautiful body which has heavy florals and leaves jal, along with cross lines and floral booties on the border. Beautiful light beige color saree. Pallu has a brocade work and a nice light beige kanchi pattu saree with a self blouse. Very nice and elegant. This is giving me all the Onam vibes, ladies. It's a beautiful saree. You can wear this anywhere. Classic color, very nice, elegant and beautiful. Purchasing this saree is very easy. Taking a screenshot, BX536, and the offer price is only 22,499. Our next color is very nice and beautiful. It's a pink color. So nice. This is more of an onion pink color. One of your beautiful customers was insisting on an onion pink saree. This is one such saree. Let's see the body. Florals and leaves jal on the body with forest theme I have here. It's a unique saree. And cross lines all in silver zari. Such a classic combination of silver work here. And a floral brocade pallu right here. With a beautiful self blouse. Let me show you all the details to purchase this beautiful color. Item code is BZ479. Offer price is only 17,999. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it before it expires and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. A lovely color coming up for you. Hope you are enjoying today's episode, ladies. Any particular saree color query, please drop it in the comment section below. Let's see this one. Grey and navy blue, all over florals and curvy checks on the body, and diamonds and florals with elephants on the border. Pallu is a brocade pallu. Let me show you all a lovely looking contrasting blouse, which is blue in color. Purchasing is very easy. Taking a screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ474. Offer price is 15,999 only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number 8900010002. A very warm welcome to Usha ma'am. Thank you so much for the compliment, ma'am. I'm so glad you're here. So sweet of you. Please make sure you tell me which is your favorite saree from today's episodes. I would love to deliver your desired saree at your doorstep. Let's see our next color. A lovely orange. Finally an orange color, ladies. Peach and wine color on the body. Let's see, we have a floral booties in zari and a very nice and elegant looking border. Let me also show you the pallu, which has a really nice golden zari work right here. We have drop booties. We have really nice intricate work on the pallu, and this beautiful sari has a contrasting blouse. Nice and elegant. Let me show you all the details to purchase this sari. Item code for this sari is BV978 and the offer price is 22,275. A very warm welcome to Rani Kumari. Ma'am, thank you so much for the compliment, ma'am. You're looking for a lilac sari, I'll surely search for it. And please make sure you make it till the end because we have lovely colors waiting for you. Let's see this one. This is a unique sari, ladies. Let me show you all the body first. We have temple design on it. It's a wine color. On the body we have florals and leaves in zari. On the border, as you can see, a lot of work. We have peacocks, elephants, gyalis, floral jal in lines. A beautiful wine color. Pallu has a brocade work. And this sari has a very nice contrasting blouse. This is a beautiful combination, very classic, ladies, and it's really nice with a nice temple design here. Let me show you all the details to purchase this sari. Item code is BZ478 and the offer price is 17,249. A very warm welcome to Kea ma'am. Thank you so much for the compliment, ma'am. I'm so glad you're enjoying today's episode. Please make sure you make it till the end and book your favorite sari from today's episode. Also, ladies, a quick reminder of how you can follow us on our digital platforms, and if you don't know how to do that, I'll quickly show you how.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
For you, which is really elegant, pure Kanchi Pattu sari for you. I'm sure this is worth it, ladies. It's so beautiful. Let's see this one. Light green color. On the body we have peacock booties in zari and small pastries with diamonds on the border. We have a lovely looking pallu as well, ladies. Let me show you all a lovely brocade work. Very nice and elegant, along with a beautiful self blouse to this sari, which is also light green. Beautiful, perfect for any festival. You can also wear this to a function, or you can gift it to anyone. It's a beautiful sari. Let me show you all the details of this one. Item code is BH858 and the offer price is 6,319. Thank you so much, Sarita ma'am. A very warm welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. If you have any query regarding any sari, please make sure you drop it in the comment section below so I can deliver your favorite sari from today's episode. Now, ladies, all the beautiful ladies who are watching me in today's live and want to purchase my sari, and if you like this one, I would like to show you all the details so you can quickly purchase this beautiful green sari which I showed you in the beginning. I'll show it to you once again. It's a beautiful, nice light green color. Florals and leaves on the body. As I already told you, we have cross lines here on the border, and pallu is a beautiful floral brocade pallu with a beautiful color. Light green, very nice and elegant. And the details to purchase my sari, the one that I'm wearing, item code is BY72 and the offer price is 23,999, valid for 24 hours. This beautiful light green color has a nice self blouse, ladies. It's a beautiful sari, trust me. Looking at me, you can also get an idea of how gorgeous it's going to look at you as well. Let's see our next color. A unique sari for you. Grey and peacock blue color. We have florals and leaves, heavy work on the border with cross lines right here on the border. Pallu has cross checks with floral butties. And I have a lovely looking contrasting blouse which is turquoise in color. So beautiful and elegant. Let me show you all the details to purchase this gorgeous sari and the combination grey and peacock blue. Item code BZ481. Offer price is only 15,199. Don't worry about the quality, ladies. All are pure, authentic Kanchipattu saris. We have a lovely light color coming up for you. This is the silver zari work, very nice and elegant. It's more of a tissue sari. Let's see the body. Peach color, we have floral buttis in zari. And we have diamonds here with floral jal on the border. So really nice and elegant. It's all in silver zari work. Pallu has a nice floral brocade work, all in silver zari, along with paisley buttis, and the blouse of this sari is a lovely contrasting blouse which is green in color. So beautiful, ladies, all in silver zari. I'm really liking the overall vibe of this sari. Very, very beautiful and very reasonable. Item code is BZ507. Offer price 6,719. Thank you so much for the compliment, Sheila ma'am. I'm so glad you're here. If you have any such sari that you're looking for, please drop it in the comment section below. I would love to deliver it to you. Let's see this one. Onto the body first. Sage green and brown. We have floral sun leaves jal on the body with cross lines and peacocks on the border. Pallu has beautiful peacocks right here, as you can see, in paisleys. And this gorgeous sari, ladies, as you can see, has a contrasting blouse for you. It's all in copper zari, brown in color, very, very nice and elegant. Let's see the details to purchase this beautiful sari. Item code is BZ485. Offer price 15,199. This is only valid for 24 hours, ladies, so please make sure you avail this beautiful, beautiful offer before it expires. I'm so excited to show you all the next sari. I love this color and extremely lightweight with silver zari. Let's see the body first. We have peacocks and floral buttis in circles, all with golden and silver zari. It's a beautiful red color, and the border has diamonds and floral jal. Pallu also has peacocks and florals in checks. And I have a lovely looking contrasting blouse. Look at this color, it's so nice. The shades are really, really beautiful. Going really well with the red. To purchase it, all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot. And the item code is BZ504. Offer price is 7,279. Once again, ladies, a beautiful red color for you. Taking a screenshot and sending it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Let's see next color. Nilanjana ma'am, which sari price are you looking for? I didn't get you. And in case you missed out the sari, this will be saved later, so you can see the price and your desired sari after this live video is saved. So you don't have to worry. Let's see this color. The beautiful beige and red color. We have florals and paisley buttis on the body. And a lovely red color, striking red color border which has zigzag lines along with floral jal. Pallu has zigzag lines and also a nice floral jal design. And we have a contrasting blouse which also has diamond drop putties right here along with golden zari. Let me show you all the pricing details to purchase this beautiful, beautiful color combination. It's very nice and elegant. Item code is BZ487. Offer price is 15,999. Valid for 24 hours. Let's see our next color. Lovely, lovely patterns awaiting you, ladies. Make sure you watch the live till the end. Let's see the body. Red color, we have floral buttis and zari checks. And diamonds with paisleys right here. We have also floral jal along with peacocks on the border. Let me also show you the pallu. As you can see, we have drop buttis all in golden zari, very very elegant. We have a floral jal work at the same time. Paisley buttis right here. And this beautiful sari has a self blouse. Very nice and elegant, ladies. So beautiful. Look at the pattern. Look at the body. You can wear this anywhere. You can wear this for a function or you can gift it to someone. I would totally give this to my mom because I love this color. Let's see the details to purchase this sari. Item code is BZ472 and the offer price is 23,249. Beautiful sari, beautiful color, and the next color is also very very exciting. A lovely striking light blue for you. Wow, wow, look at this beautiful sari. We have florals and leaves jal on the body and temples right here along with floral jal, cross lines and a lot of intricate work all in silver zari on the border. Pallu has paisleys and cross lines. And this beautiful sari has a self blouse. As you can see, it's a nice light blue color. Quickly taking a screenshot to purchase this beautiful sari. Item code is BZ480, offer price 10,879. Now, a note for this beautiful saris is these are only valid for 24 hours. I'm showing you all independent beautiful colors, a lovely yellow color coming up for you. Ladies who prefer nice bright colors, this is one such color. Wow, very nice and elegant. Look at the body. Floral buttis in zari and on the border, as you can see, diamonds and floral jal. Pallu has zigzag lines once again and cross lines. The different shaded pallu, sea green in color, and we have a contrasting blouse which is also sea green. A very very nice and elegant contrast to the sari. Details to purchase it are item code BZ470. Offer price is only 7,199. Such a beautiful sari at such a reasonable price, only brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's see this color. Another independent light cream color for you. On the body we have florals and leaves jal with peacocks in zari. A beautiful cream color, and on the border, as you can see, boxes with floral design, cross lines and peacocks. Pallu has a brocade pallu and a lovely looking self blouse with this sari which is also cream in color. Let me show you all the details. Item code BZ506, offer price 14,399. I hope you ladies are enjoying. If you have any such color that you are looking for, any particular pattern, please drop it in the comment section below, ladies. I would love to help you shop from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Next color. So beautiful. A nice sea green along with pink. On the body we have floral buttis and cross checks with floral jal and cross lines on the border. Beautiful pink in color. Pallu is a brocade worked pallu. And I have a lovely looking contrasting blouse to this sari which is also pink. Let's see the details. Item code BZ475, offer price 20,249. Ladies, we have beautiful saris coming up in different live sessions, so please make sure you follow us everywhere on our digital platforms, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, and visit your nearest VML store. Let's see this one. Hope you're enjoying today's episode, ladies, because I love showing you all Kanchipattu saris. Let's see this one meanwhile. Mustard and pink in color, we have floral buttis. We also have a really nice self-emboss effect on the body. And elephants along with florals with peacocks on the border. Pallu has a floral brocade work along with paisley. and a beautiful, beautiful contrasting blouse. Look at this shaded contrasting blouse, ladies. It's so, so elegant. Really nice, giving a proper touch to the entire saree of mustard and pink. Taking a screenshot. Item code BZ466, offer price only 5,839. Such a reasonable saree, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please make sure you avail it, ladies. Let's see this next beautiful Kanchipattu saree which is coming up. Green and blue color. On the body we have floral booties in zari and cross lines with floral jal on the border. It's a really nice blue color border. It's a very peacock vibe saree, ladies. Beautiful green and blue color mixtures. Pallu also has floral booties. And I have a lovely looking contrasting blouse right here which is also blue in color. Details of the saree. Item code BZ510, offer price is only 9,119. A quick reminder as to how you can follow us on our digital platforms, ladies. If you don't know how to do that, I'll quickly show you how.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Wasn't that easy, ladies? It's a very quick step that you have to follow. Now let's focus on to our next saree, which is a beautiful color coming up. Maroon color, we have leaf buttis in zari on the body and diamonds with florals on the border. We also have a very, very lovely pallu of this saree, which is extremely nice and gorgeous. It's zigzag lined pallu, maroon in color. And let me show you all the self blouse of this saree, extremely gorgeous and beautiful. Let me show you the details. Item code is BS562, offer price is only 15,999, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Our lovely yellow color saree coming up for you with a beautiful striking pink border. Body has florals and leaves jal in zari, all in silver zari. I also see roses on the body and peacocks with florals, a nice pink color border. Pallu has floral brocade work. And we have a really nice looking striking pink contrasting blouse to this saree. You have to quickly take a screenshot, very easy step to follow, along with the item code, which is BZ511, offer price 13,199. Moving on to our next beautiful color. I am honestly fond of this color. Want to show you this beautiful saree. Let's talk about the body first. Wow, very elegant and beautiful. So much work. Maroon color. On the body we have, as you can see, floral buttis in cross checks and cross lines with diamonds with floral jal on the border. Pallu has a beautiful floral butti in kadi with cross lines. And we have a self blouse to this saree. Very nice maroon color. Let me show you all the details. Item code BZ503, offer price 16,500. Valid for 24 hours. Our last color is one of my favorite combinations. It's green and navy blue, ladies. I always love wearing such a color combination. Let me show you all. It's a gorgeous color combination and I love the work on the body. Let's see the body. Florals and leaves jal and diamonds along with florals, a nice navy blue color border. Pallu has floral brocade work. And we have a lovely looking contrasting blue color, navy blue color blouse for you. Elegant, beautiful, classic combination, ladies. I honestly love it. On personal recommendation, would recommend you to purchase this one. Item code is BZ477. Offer price is only 15,749. Now it's very important that you know how these beautiful sarees will look when they are draped on you, ladies. So let's check out the beautiful sarees on our mannequins. Let's see this beautiful, beautiful color. A gorgeous mint green. This is a very fashionable in color, ladies, in fashion. We have floral buttis and zari on the body, as you can see, and cross lines with floral jal, beige on the border. Pallu is a floral brocade one, and this blouse is a self blouse. Let me show you all the details. To purchase this one, item code is BZ489. Offer price is only 15,199. Sending a screenshot on 8900010002. Moving on to our next beautiful yellow color sari. On the body we have florals and diamonds and cross checks along with beautiful temples on the border. Pallu is a nice floral brocade, rich brocade pallu, and contrasting blouse to this one. Item code is BZ482. Offer price 15,999, valid for 24 hours. Seeking blessings from the goddess herself. Once again, ladies, our WhatsApp number 8900010002. A lovely, lovely color coming up. A very striking and eye-catching color, ladies. It's purple. We have curvy checks with zari on the body with floral jal and cross lines on the border. Pallu is a floral brocade pallu, and we have a contrasting blouse to this sari. Quickly taking a screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ476. Offer price is 19,499. Please make sure you visit us at road number 56 Jubilee Hills at Varamahalakshmi Silk Store. Final sari, yet elegant for today. It's a peach color. We have floral booties and cross checks and diamonds with zigzag lines on the border. A nice floral brocade pallu, and we have kept the blouse a self blouse. Details are item code BZ494. Offer price is only 15,999, valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. So that's it, ladies. Today's episode was all about exciting, authentic Kanchipattu saris. I hope you all enjoyed today's episode. I'll be back tomorrow with another gorgeous set of saris in our next live session. Until then, miss me because I'll miss you too. Stay safe, stay hope. Signing off, Kritya Kada. Thank you. Namaskaram.
Drape yourself in Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks and bring out the royalty within you. Do follow Kanchi VML Silks so that you can never miss updates and offers from VML Silks.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.